Ever submit financial paperwork and wonder what happens next? Starting a Gold IRA shouldn't leave you guessing. Once you start your Gold IRA application, the real process begins. And according to the Welcome to Augusta guide, you're never left on your own. After your account is set up, the team works with your custodian to process the transfer or rollover of funds. They keep you updated at each stage, from confirming your account is funded, to helping you choose your precious metals, to locking in your order. Finally, you receive confirmation once everything is complete. This step-by-step support ensures you always know where you are in the process. No guesswork required. I've linked this guide in the description so you can see the full breakdown yourself. This guide is part of Augusta's free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide Bundle, 8 PDFs covering every stage of precious metals investing. Alongside the Welcome to Augusta guide, you will find resources on why precious metals matter, how gold IRAs work, pricing details, and a company integrity checklist, all designed to help you make decisions with confidence. If you want to know exactly what happens after you apply for a Gold IRA, this free guide bundle is the perfect place to start. It's beginner friendly, straightforward, and helps you move forward with clarity. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle now. The link's right below.